Hello, it is 2026 and I'm just voicing over this little bit of an introduction because this video you're going to be watching right now was filmed on the 1st of December 2025 and it's took me a while to edit this one, but I'm finally putting it out and this will keep us going until the new season starts in about a month's time. Enjoy. Hello to you all and welcome to another video. My name is Nigel, of course also known as a Lake Erie vlogger, and today I am down by lock number 4 of the Welland Seaway, the Welland Canal, and I'm here to capture an oil chemical tanker. Something I don't usually come after that often, but I saw the look of this one and I thought, you know what, the bridge, the housing area of that ship kind of looks mighty fine. Kind of reminded me a bit like a cruise ship kind of bridge. It was very nice looking, so I thought, you know, I'll take a closer look at it and get the drone up and get a shot of this ship as it comes out of lock 5 into lock number 4. Gaia Desgagnés, that is the vessel. Nice bow thrusters, just blowing out a lot of water there. Listen to that. That is cool to see. It really is cool. Just easing away here into lock number 4, inch by inch. Alright, the vessel has just come to a complete stop, and it sounds like the locking mechanism these suction pads here is just locked onto the vessel, and it'll hold the vessel in place as it makes its way down to the next level. The lock gate behind it should close shortly as well. It's another one of those hard pronunciation names for me, this being French, so we'll give it a bash. Gaia Desgagnés. Gaia Desgagnés. Gaia Desgagnés. I think that's how I pronounce it. Gaia Desgagnés. Anyway, I like that anyway. Anyway, meet the Gaia Desgagnés, a modern Canadian oil and chemical tanker, and it is built in 2018. And this vessel measures in at 150 meters long and 23 meters wide. She's built to safely transport bulk liquid cargoes across coastal and international waters with advanced safety features and efficient design. Witness the spectacle in the mighty Welland Canal as Gaia Desgagnés awakens, her bow just a mere 30 feet away, filling the frame. This 150-meter titan crawls forward so subtly, so imperceptibly, at first you question if she's even moving at all. Hull by hull, she slips free of Lock 5's iron grip. pulling back to unveil the sheer grace of her portside profile. 492 feet of Canadian tanker threading the needle towards Lock 4 with flawless control. The Welland's unyielding power, pure poetry on water. Ships like Gaia Desgagnés make the Welland Canal a shipwatcher's paradise. Massive, powerful vessels that turn global trade into everyday spectacle. Always incredible from any spot along the route. Whether you're viewing from platforms by Lock 7, the bridges over Lock 3, or just pulling off the QEW with a Tim Hortons in hand, the scale hits you every time. A 492-foot behemoth dwarfing the concrete walls. Engines rumbling through your chest, bow slicing water with surgical precision. It's that rare thrill. Relaxing, yet riveting. History and engineering unfolding live. People drive hours for this. Families bring kids with binoculars, and locals never tire of it. Grab your spot anywhere along the Welland. It's always front row to moments like this. All right, there you have it, Gaia Desgagnés, now in lock number 4, waiting to go down to the next one, which is lock 3, and slowly make our way onto Lake Ontario. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, stay safe. See you all very soon. Take care.